What's going on at the hospital?
Hey, listen, we're rocking.
Are you?
Yeah.
Now, when are we breaking ground here?
Very soon. Early 2017, but
Yep.
you know, we're about to move a couple of the buildings to other places.
Right, I've been hearing about that.
And programs and physicians and staff are moving to other places, and the excitement is high.
Oh, it certainly will be. I mean, my goodness. How long is it going to take before we actually see it completed?
I think 2018, probably springtime.
That quick?
We hope, yeah, if the weather permits and everything goes according to schedule.
Now, for those who don't know, how much bigger is the hospital going to be than the one we have now?
A good deal bigger in terms of the roominess of programs, the sort of architectural expansion, and the need for privacy. I'm the nurse manager of the outpatient area, so there'll be those rooms, and those areas will be much bigger, and there'll be a lot of opportunity for more privacy and more patient-focused care. The beds will pretty much stay the same in terms of inpatient, but the expansion all over, emergency room.
You mean the amount of beds?
The amount of beds, correct.
Because we need upgrading, not so much a bigger facility.
Absolutely, and more services. The emergency room's going to be a thing of beauty, and operating rooms, and diagnostic rooms, and it's just really wonderful.
The chances of having to go off island for a medical emergency, what percentage would that decrease once we have the new hospital? Do we know that?
Well, I don't know that that's been projected yet, but the phrase is we would like to keep many more of our acute care cases here because we have the opportunity and the staff to treat those cases. So that's a big initiative and a big goal and a good objective.
Sure.
We should keep our people here as best we can.
Oh, that's a good point.
Yeah.
And this hospital served us pretty well.
Yes, indeed.
I was just in recently seeing a friend, and it's a classic. It's like an antique almost now, isn't it? I mean, how many years have we had that hospital?
Well, I think its initiation was in 1911. So long time ago. I'm not sure how many years.
And there's been upgrades to it.
Upgrades and that kind of thing. So this is really futuristic.
This is really futuristic.
Yeah, and very.
Will we have a true state-of-the-art hospital?
Yes,
we will.
There's a wonderful collective of staff and people involved in all areas to come together with these fabulous ideas, and so it's going to be state-of-the-art for sure.